For past couple of days, I've been discussing the premium features of Google Sheets. I discussed simple functions. I discussed most elementary functions. Then gradually, I am moving towards the advanced functions. So in the same sequence of the discussion, the same sequence of functions of the Google Sheets, today I am going to discuss some other function with different scenarios. So the scenario is quite simple, and I want to discuss. Though I have discussed this earlier also, the function was the VLOOKUP. So what is the need to discuss this right now? Because there was a demand, sir. This is VLOOKUP is very useful, but can you explain this in simple way? I said, why not? So there is a commitment that I have to explain VLOOKUP again in easy way, rather easiest way. So how to do this? Let's move to our Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet, and over here I'll explain VLOOKUP in the easy manner. So what I am going to do here, so see here, there is a data. So this is the data, my data sheet. This is my data sheet, and this is my target sheet. Why target? Because I want to search these students in this category, in this range, and find out the grades of these students. So, as such, there is no hard and fast rule to apply function every time. So this sheet is quite small, and we can just see and print the grades. But what if the sheet is quite huge and the query sheet is quite big? Then what to do? So this is just an example, just to explain how VLOOKUP works and how other functions work. So this time I'm going to apply VLOOKUP because I want to find out the grade of these students. Okay. So first step is to apply equal sign, type VLOOKUP. Okay. What do you want to search? I want to search this. Fine. What should be the range? Range is this, and freeze it by pressing F4, because if I copy this uh, range to another cell, if this is not frozen, then it will change relatively, and that's why I'll have to freeze this, comma. After range, what do you want and what do you expect from this search? I expect the grade of the student from this search. So my grade is in which column? So my grade is in say 1, 2, 3, and third column. 3. Is it sorted? No, it's not sorted, so I'll say false. Okay, and now simply press enter. So see here, Nita is here, so its grade is D. Her grade is D here. And if I copy this function from here to here, then what happens? Swadhi, her grade is A plus, so A plus is printed in the cell of the grade. But what happened to this? Because Sumita is not available in the source sheet or source area, and that is why it prints NA, means not available. So this is an error. See here, this is an error. So how to overcome this error? For that, I am going to use a function called ISNA. It means is not available. Is not available? Yes or no. Means the output of this function will be either true or false, because it's not available, is available, is not available. So means yes or no, true or false. So is not available will return a value in the form of true or false. Means it will return that boolean value. Fine. So I'm going to apply ultimately, and I'll tell you this ISNA function returns only one value at a time. So I'm going to apply this here. Let me see. Vlookup. I'm applying this ISNA here. Vlookup and say ISNA. If it returns true or false, then it will be printed in the cell. False is not available. False means available. And if I apply this function here, means these are available, but this is not available, this is true, and that is why it is showing NA. So how to trap this error? So see here, to how to trap this error, just look into. In this case, I'll have to apply if function. I'll have to apply if function. So if ISNA if the value is not available, then print student is not found. Else, same function I'm going to copy here. Else, this. Else print the grade. Now press enter key. So see here, this shows D, and if I copy this function from here to this place, see here, Swadhi has A plus, Nita has D, and Sumita is not available in the source, and that is why it is showing student is not found. So this way, I trapped the error and gave the meaningful statement. So this is the way I can use VLOOKUP, ISNA, and if optimally. So there are so many situations in our working life that ISNA, ISNA, VLOOKUP, if are optimally used. So if you understood, kindly apply in your routine work of data analysis. And if you are not working on data, then still take some dummy data and apply these functions to just to learn. And where you'll have to apply these functions, you will get to know. So hope you understood the concept, and if you understood the concept, kindly uh, share with your friends, and please write in comment box how do you like this function and how do you like this video. So we'll meet in the next video with different scenario and different functions. So till then, bye bye.